There's a saying that shortcuts sell because that's what people want, but shortcuts don't work because they don't exist. Well, today, I'm proving that wrong. And while it's important that you understand the basics and fundamentals of piano, it's also important that you're happy. So in this video, I not only want to show you the shortcut that I know, I want to stress the importance of the system that we're shortcutting. Okay, so you want this shortcut bad. The first thing you need to know is that this is not a shortcut on how to play piano. This is a shortcut on how to learn a song, or two, or 100. This is not how to play piano. This is what I did for almost 4 years. I found songs that I wanted to learn, I wanted to play, and I learned them. I did not learn the basics. That's why I'm going back and doing that this year. You can check out that series. Now that we have that out of the way, how do you shortcut learning music without knowing how to read sheet music? You need to learn how to use both your hands at the same time. And it's quite tricky, but the solution to that trickiness is it's actually quite simple. You're going to do one at a time. So, find the song you want to learn. I'm going to learn Giorno's theme. I just picked the first piano tutorial that came up. And once I have the video up, I turn the speed to it's at 0.5 playback speed. You can play it back normal speed or whatever. And you are going to spend this time learning one hand at a time. And you can break it up into sections as much as you want. So the first section, and you just go back and you play that section that you want to learn first over and over. Now you can see that doesn't really sound like the song we're wanting to learn. And that's because you're not playing it at the speed that the song requires. So you have to be wary of that, because if you're trying to learn this song it's not going to sound right away until you get like the feeling and the speed of it down. So you just play it until you have that hand memorized. Ooh, that was wrong. Ooh, that was wrong again. And you just keep learning over and over again. It's that simple. So you have that part down. You play it over and over again. Sorry, I'm messing up now. You just play it over and over. And again. And again. Now you notice how in the beginning, I was playing it and it didn't sound like that, right? But when you play it enough, messed up there. So you get that first hand down, you get that right hand down, the melody, if you will. Sometimes it's different. Sometimes the left hand is the melody. And then you do the left hand. Right? And you drill that into your head. And then once you have that down, now that's off. So you can see, it started off as and over here it's, but together, and after you learn each part. It sounds better. You need to start playing it faster. Or not right at all. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And so I only learned that first bit in 10 minutes or less. A lot of the song repeats. So a lot of the song is, that's in a lot of the songs. Same thing with the chords, or the whatever the chord progression is. And yeah, and then you just apply that to the entire song. You watch the whole video, you do one hand at a time, right hand, then left. Finish it, memorize it, move on to the next section. Finish it, memorize it, move on to the next section. It is, it's how you learn a song without sheet music. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was helpful. I want to stress again, this is not how you learn piano. This is how you learn a song without using sheet music. Thanks for now. Bye for now. Please like the video. It means a lot and it helps a lot. So thanks. Bye.